success meets psychology in Paulina's way. Strengthen your mindset every week. Success story every Wednesday. Traders who broke through their limits. Psychology session every Friday. Join now. Hit
Hello, bro.
Hello, guys. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm also good. Kashif, bro, what's up?
Hi. Hello, Taufiq. Hello, Heramani. How are you?
Hi. I'm good, bro. Do you guys took any trade today?
Yes, I
I
took
was
shorts during London.
I took buy post London.
Yeah, I saw your story. That was a good buy in Sniper.
Currently, I was buy on gold, but let's see.
Actually, I was about to hold it more, but actually that was a master account, and I was up $3,000 on my 25K master account. I was thinking, hold on, bro, and then I exit. Hmm. Price went up from my exit point. Oh my God, who is placing futures order? Is it you, Kashif?
I don't know. It just placed out of nowhere.
I know it's you.
Yeah, I'm just trying trade await. So let me share my screen so I could let you know my sell trade, how I went into the shorts. Uh, can you see the screen?
Not yet.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so with the London Open, I was looking at the 15-minute time frame, and the market structure was bearish. The order flow was bearish, and on the 1 minute time frame, I was looking at this swing high. This was London Open right here, and price action it dropped with the London Open volume, and then it pushed up, but the price action wasn't able to break above this swing high. So that was the point. Like I was live with my community, and we went into a short right here. Went into a short right here, and then it moved all the way for 200 pips. Uh, right at Asian lows, like we closed the trade, and then after that we were looking at this 4 hour demand zone from where Taufiq also took a buy trade. This was our 4 hour demand zone right here, and when price action tapped here, after confirmations, we also took the buy from this zone.
So nice. You also took buy.
This, yep. This was a very beautiful like price action tapping into the 4 hour demand zone, and then you can see like a very clean market structure shift right here. A very clean market structure shift, and after the market structure shift, price action just smoothly pushed up. If we look at this move from the market structure shift, that is like 210 pips straight away. Like most of the times, what price action does like is after a market structure shift, it starts to exhaust. It starts to drain the traders. It just goes in a range with low volume. But this was a very beautiful scenario, a very textbook example. Price action tapping into the demand. We are having a market structure shift, and then straight away with the volume went for 200 pips. Now, at the moment, I'm just going to share my thought process, what I'm looking at on the price section. I'm going to start from the 4 hour time frame. Uh, if you look at the 4 hour candle, uh, let's talk about the 4 hour uh, pr- market structure. So if I look at the market structure on the 4 hour time frame, I can see a very smooth and bullish trend, making higher
Mhm.
highs and higher lows right here. This was your last higher high, and then price action it dropped, making a higher low, tapping into this demand. And the way this forward candle is going, if we can close bullish, and if the bullish momentum stays with NY open, then we can expect the price action to continue pushing bullish to make a new higher high in maybe today, or maybe in the coming days, or maybe in this week, based on this 4 hour bullish trend. Now, looking at the 30-minute time frame, obviously we have pushed a lot from the bottom, from London lows to till now. Like it price action has moved like a total of 340 pips, right? So I would say it's kind of like overextended right now. And if we look at the 30-minute time frame, there's also this supply zone, right? So if I'm looking for buys, who's placing these orders on my trade, I don't have a clue. Like it just automatically placing.
Kashif, your mic.
Hello?
Yeah,
Can
it's
you,
perfect now.
is there any noise? All
No,
good.
it's fine now. It's fine now. There was some.
It's
Okay.
fine now.
I guess.
Man,
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know, but for some reason, Trader Wait like it's placing orders like on its own. Someone hacked into my account maybe. So yeah, I was saying like on the 30-minute time frame, we have this supply, right? We have this supply, and there's a very decent rejection from this supply. And if we look at the 5-minute time frame, man, look at the 5-minute candle. Like it just tapped
Mm,
in, wick, big wick, and an impulsive 5-minute bearish candle. If it closes bearish, then I can do expect a drop like on the 5-minute to this level right here. This could be a possible scenario. The volume was it was very rapid, you know. Just look
mm.
at the 1 minute candles, man. Maybe there's some sort of news, or I don't know what, but
No,
this
no,
move
there's no
is
news today.
no news today.
Yeah, it's just
But
crazy.
it's
It's doing
it's
its own
wired,
thing.
man. It's wired.
What's your entry, by the way, Hiramani?
I got some profit right now.
Okay, perfect.
I just book around 40% profit and then I close it.
Mm.
I'm looking for another buy setup.
On gold?
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm just gonna wait for this 5 minute to close. It's closed now. There's a possible scenario, like because if we look right here on the 5 minute, this looks like a trend line liquidity, and we have
Mhm.
an order block right here. Let's see.
I think we can drop a little bit more and then we can go up.
Mm,
What I am seeing right now.
Yeah, I'm also expecting the same scenario.
and this is the last, last hourly candle in this 4 hour. Like, it's gonna close in 49 minutes.
Mm.
Or maybe it could also be just tapping into this block on the 3 minute, or maybe on the 5 minute. Yes, this range, and after tapping into this range, it might just continue. This could be a possible scenario as well, but I'm more comfortable taking a buy from this. Or maybe like if it goes below and we get some sort of rejection, that would be a
4,000
good.
4,200 could be will be a good level to buy. If you see
Mm,
4,200 level,
Yeah.
and also that's a
Same with
psychology.
me.
Yep, I can see this 1 minute uh, candle closed bullish, and then the following candle it just engulfed all of this bullish
Hmm.
reaction. So that means like price action wants to go low.
Mhm.
And that was confirmed when the price make a wick on the 5 minute time frame. That was a powerful candle on the 5 minute.
Yes, 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 yes. And I guess like this new 5 minute just made a top wick, flipped
Yeah,
bearish.
it's about
Now it's
to,
I'm in shorts right now. A small position
okay.
with a stop loss above this 5 minute wick. Just this current 5 minute candle. I'm expecting it to drop like for a 1 to 1, or even a 1 to 1 would be good.
Let's see.
Okay, nice, good drop.
You will get TP.
I don't know. Maybe it's just a very just a scalp. Even if this 5 minute flips bullish, I might manage my risk. Let's see. Ah, it's moving. Very impulsive trade. My entry is 4204, running in 20 pips, 20, 30, 15. Also, like the 15 minute candle is closing, and it's closing very impulsively bearish. It's closing impulsive bearish. It closes impulsive bearish like this, breaches through this zone, could be a possible drop. Let's see. Right
It
now,
will be more great if this sweep the previous candles 15 minutes lows, then we can have another confirmation. And the way 5 minute is pushing upside, it's actually not a good sign.
Yep, yep, exactly. It's so volatile, man. It's wild right now. If you look at the 1 minute candles, it's wild. 20 pips. Yes, this 5 minute flipping bullish. That's a point where I would start managing my risk.
I hope it's getting down to 4200 level, like Tufik mentioned before.
Yep, it just tapped here in this block, and this dodgy candle was wild. Top wick, bottom wick, close dodgy. That means like indecision. So
Mhm.
simply wait now. It might go like wick fill, but inside this range, it is like 50-50. Let's look at the 15 minute, because the 15 minute was a bearish closure. It's just like in this range. New 15 minute makes a top wick, flipping bearish. It could fill this wick, and if it breaks low, then it will tap into the zone which we are looking at. This one.
It's coming down, I guess. Currently, it's now in a 1 hour fair value gap as well.
1 over fair value gap. I think is this one.
Mhm.
I think now it will drop on 1 minute time frame.
Last 2 3 days, especially this week, the volume is very sudden. There's sudden candles. This
And today itself, I saw in 1 minute time frame there is a candle which was close to 120 pips on a 1 minute time frame. I was be like,
close to
what's up?
100.
100 pips, bro, in the London
I,
session.
I I think
I
you're
think
talking about.
that last one. Yeah, that last one. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Crazy. Even this candle, look, the when it was dropping like 60 pips in 1 minute candle. Man, I really love this kind of price action when it just taps into your zone and it just drops smoothly without any manipulation.
This kind of volatility I personally like a lot. Like
Yeah.
see market as a liquidity and it just sweep the liquidity you're entering, you're getting take profit and waiting for another level to sweep liquidity and taking another entry. That's also great. Yesterday I took 4 trade and four of them gave me take profit. Just because market is not extremely trending from if you see the last 1 2 minute market was just going up. Now market is just giving some
Hmm.
good trades. And if you see the 1 minute time frame, I think this is the last candle where we can see some downside movement. As we go up, we are not going to stop.
Yes, this structure.
Are you still in trade, Kashif?
No, I'm out. The moment it flipped bullish, I just exited.
Yes. I'll see the reaction on 4,200, and if I look for buyers, I'll buy it on my evolution account, not on my funded, because I'm done for the day on that account.
Same. Taufiq, you were trading funding ticks futures, right?
Yeah, I trade. I still trade.
Yeah, I just recently started.
You are going to rock, bro, in future. I'm telling you, because I know your style. And if anyone
Yeah,
has this kind of reflexes the way you have, honestly, I
yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
But you can look at the 1 minute cash. As I said, this is the last candle which can make gold drop from here, else it will go up. Let's see. We are just 30 pips away from 4,200.
Man, but futures. I know like a lot of traders. We have one trader. He's been on these live streams. Zamco. He's also done great job like with futures. But one thing, future spreads are it's like very liquid and random. The whole platform is different. This trader
But
weight.
I trade on TradingView only. I just connect my trader weight on my TradingView and I
How
just
do you
trade.
do that?
Whenever you have a funding ticks credential, you just have to go on TradingView and you will see TradeOvate platform here. If you just go down from this, yeah, here.
Okay.
Here TradeOvate, just click on that and put your ID password. Not on the live stream. Later on, you can log in and you just have to open GCZ1 if you want to trade like minis.
Oh,
Don't do it right now.
nice.
People can see your ID password, bro.
Ah,
And I just trade from here. Cause
this
I
is good.
think no, I'm not able to trade very good on TradeOvate still. So I choose
So
trading view.
let me just connect this. I'm just gonna stop sharing the screen. Tawfiq, you can
Yeah,
share the
yeah.
screen because
I'll
on
show.
futures I'm in shorts on futures.
Perfect.
So let me just try
Is
this
it
thing out.
minor? Is it mini or micros?
It's one lot, one standard lot.
Okay, mini. Okay, okay,
I'm
perfect.
I'm trading GC G6.
Okay, okay. It's I think January contract. Okay, you can stop your screen. Meanwhile, I'll chill mine. Okay.
Okay. So there you go. Let me just
And
get
make
that.
sure don't make profit more than $1,000 if we have to
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. Yes. Yesterday I passed the challenge, $2,500. Then I had to lose, like, deliberately $1,500 to fall under consistency.
Remember the live stream we were doing, and
Yeah,
you were
yeah,
saying
yeah,
why
yeah.
you are losing. And sometimes
Actually, I
I
was,
think future trader are tired of success. Like sometimes they have more profit, they have to lose some profit in order to maintain the consistency and all.
yeah. Actually, I was live with Anand, and I was losing the profits to fall inconsistent. He said, like, "How are you feeling? First time losing profits."
Intentionally.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And can you guys see my screen? Or I have to
Not
wait for.
yet.
Uh, Wait a minute, I'm doing mine. Meanwhile, we can pick out some questions. This is a level which I'm looking for. Let's see how this goes.
This is actually good. The good thing, like, I just connected my funding text to TradingView,
Mm,
and I can see all of my accounts are there. I can switch between the accounts.
yes. But if you want to trade all account in one as a group, then you have to go only on TradeOvate. You
Mm-hmm.
cannot do it on a trading view.
Maybe you will also guide me now,
I
how to
definitely.
place a trade. Taufiq, are
Yes,
you
bro.
looking for a buy?
No, no, I am waiting for 4,200 only. Cause even if I buy here, if I buy on this current level, it has a highly probability to go on 4,200, then make a wig, and then it can go up. That's the concerning. That's why I'm waiting. If 4,200 a psychological number will not be there, I may plan for a bias. But just sake for that 4,200, I'm not doing anything else. As you mentioned as well, that we have some trend line which I don't see at all, but still I'm waiting for 4,200.
Waiting for 4,200. Let me share my screen, so you can
Yeah, yeah,
guide me.
sure. I'm
Like,
stopped.
this would be helpful for all the viewers, those who are trading on funding ticks. How to connect your uh, trade away to trading view. Just
Someone saying any confirmation to go price down. I think the current 1 minute time frame, the current 1 minute candle is indicating you guys for the shorts, but still you have to wait as I'm looking for the bias. So I'll wait for 4,200 levels. Yes, you can share yours, Kashif.
my
Bye.
screen. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, let me share it again. There you go. Do you get to hear that sound? Order filled on trading view.
No, it is only on TradeOvid, I guess, not
All
on.
right. So I
I
have
can play
connected.
for you. I can play the sound for you if you want.
So how did you? Which symbol, like?
You just have to open GC1 for the mini contract. GC1
And for
For the minis.
for a full contract, like one lot.
Yeah.
So
I just
this
trade it because it's automatically sent on the new contract which is currently trading. So you don't need to change contract again and again once you like go on to GC1 on the
all
trading
right,
view.
all right. So if I want to place like a market order, this
Yeah, you have everything in front of you.
so basically this one unit is one lot.
Yeah, same as you can say standard lot on
Okay.
CFD.
So if I place a cell, all right. So just placed a cell right here.
Perfectly. Perfect.
Nice. Let's lose money live. This is
Because we have still a discount going on. If he even if he blows account, he has still chance to buy on 50% discount. So let's lose some
let's.
challenging.
I just took some shorts like based on this 1 minute rejections. Oh, nice, $70 on
Yeah,
futures. Great, $80. Nice.
you should sell three contracts, Kashif.
The maximum I can do is two. I think like
No, it's four, bro. On 50K account is four and 25K it's I guess
no,
one or
really.
two.
Let me try.
Yes. Do you have 50K?
It's a 50K. 50K max. I can do two contracts.
Who said, bro? Let me see. I recently placed three contract or four contract. How this is possible?
Forget it. Like we're running in $150 on this short.
Let's go.
Let's go. Nice. 200. Right. Nice. Okay, so if I have to close this position, I'll close it from here. 260, 280, $280, $290. Bingo.
Just hold it. Just hold it, Kashif. Don't close. I'm telling you, man.
Congratulations. Like from here to here, like that is like I think 50 pips.
That's why I said futures is fun sometimes.
Futures is fun. 50 pips. Now let's wait for.
Should we look for short in gold, bro? We are just doing scalping, and I don't think so. We have any trader in this live stream who can do fast as Kashif is doing. So this kind of trade only Kashif can take.
No,
So
this was not like a random trade. You see like on the on just take a look at this. Uh, this was your order block. It becomes
hmm,
what when it's breached? It becomes your breaker block, right?
hmm.
Price section, it taps into this. It gives like 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, giving me confirmation and confidence to go in a short. And from here to here to this support is like 50 pips of a scalp. Now it might drop more because our eyes is on this demand zone on the 5 minute, this
Yes.
area,
Mhm.
this whole area, I would say. Price action falls into this, rejections, a market structure shift, and bingo, you go for a buy.
What's your levels, Heramani bhai?
Four, yeah, 4 2 or 4199.
Handshake. Same here.
This account is this was my first account yesterday. I made like $2,500, then I reduced to 1,000, and today I made another 1,000. So now it's like I need
You just
500
need
to
one
make.
more day.
Yeah, one more day, make 500, and on the second account of funding ticks, this is like $971,000 today, and
Hmm.
now I'm trading my third account, $150. Let's see if I can make 850 more. I would also like to show funding ticks dashboard just to show my consistency. Just share the screen.
Are you guys trading NQ on futures?
No, bro.
Hmm. Can you guys see the screen?
No, I'm seeing your
No.
password.
Really?
I just sent a OTP on your number, Kashif. Just give me that OTP.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's get back to trading view chart. Let's get back to trading view. Let's try to get another scalp. Let's go, boys. All right. So right now it's just in a range. I'm waiting for it to get out of this range. So like if it gets out of this range, like we can plan like a scalp buy to New York highs. If it breaks below, then we can plan like a scalp short to this zone. So I'm just gonna wait. Meanwhile, we're just gonna take in some questions from the chat. Nasdaq scalp, maybe I do Nasdaq scalp on futures today. Nasdaq is very extremely volatile. How to trade 1 minute time frame? I only trade at 5 minute closing. Is it fine? Because sometimes I get bad entry because of it, so I'm cooked. Help. It depends. Like for example, if you're getting a late entry because you are waiting for 5 minute candles to close, then obviously you would miss entry because you would wait for the 5 minute to close. And if there's volume, it might close like in your favor and you miss the move. So you also need to look at the 1 minute time frame and how you can break it down. For example, let's say let's say this is your range, right? And you're expecting to get into a sell the moment price action taps into this zone. Okay, you want to get into a sell when the price action taps this zone. So let's say you are looking at a 5 minute candle. Now, how would the 5 minute candle would open? Let's say you had a bullish closure right here, and then the following candle, 5 minute candle, it makes a it makes a top wick, right, and it starts to go bearish. Now you need to understand that in a 5 minute candle, there's 5 1 minute candles. And when you will switch to the 1 minute time frame, if you see like 2 3 candles rejecting and it's showing that it wants to fall or it's making a top, that's a point where you can get into an early sell on the 1 minute time frame. So you just need to back test this, practice well, and over time it just gets better. For example, if I give you an example, live example right here, look at this short. Look at this short scalp right here. Now let's assume based on your question that you are looking at a 5 minute time frame. This is 1 5 minute candle. Now what would you see? For example, you see this as a supply zone right here. Okay, you take this as a supply zone or whatsoever. It could be any PD array. It could be this fair value gap. You never know. So let's say you're taking this fair value gap into consideration, and let's say the 5 minute candle closes on this fair value gap. Now you're looking for sells, but looking at the 5 minute candle, you will have to wait for this 5 minute closure. And look, when this 5 minute closed, it closed way bearish that you would have missed all the move from this fair value gap. Now, how you could avoid this is you switch to the 1 minute time frame, you target the same fair value gap, and you see 1 minute candles rejections. Now, I saw like 1 2 3 rejections, and on the 4th minute of the 5 minute candle, I went into the shorts, taking advantage of this drop on the 5 minute candle from this fair value gap or this breaker block, right? So this is how you could increase your odds of getting into a position early. What's your thoughts on swing trading? I think gold is more it's providing more opportunity for day traders nowadays.
Because
For
you
example,
already gave a lot of moves on the higher time frame. If you see the weekly and daily candle, the moves is already done, I guess. 1 day time
yes,
frame.
exactly.
So now market could be like little bit sideways or in consolidation for the next few days because we are in December. So yeah, he's saying right about day trader has a more opportunity in gold nowadays.
True, true. How to backtest SMC and what should be our goal? You can backtest on FX Replay. There are many softwares to backtest, and your goal should be to increase your strike rate. You should be focusing on your strike rate, because if you have a higher strike rate, then you can work on risk reward ratio. At least like your strike rate, your win rate should be 70% if you want to survive on the live scenarios. Even like if 70% is also less, like on backtesting, if honestly, if you're getting a 90% win rate on backtesting, when you come to the real price section, real markets, your win rate will drop to like 60, 65%, 70% in the best case scenarios. And your edge is then your risk to reward ratio.
And I think accuracy and strike rate give you a boost and a confidence to execute more trade. If you have a 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5 strategy which has a less accuracy, this will not going to motivate you. Like this will give you demotivation when you are on a losing streak. Like you lose 8, 10 trades in a row, and then you will think like that your strategy is not working. So you should focus more on accuracy, or you can say strike rate. Taufiq bhai, thoughts on.
And what is this range right now on the 1 minute? It's so stubborn.
It's freaking boring, bro. Who else is watching Bitcoin, guys? It is respect the 1 day time frame demand zone, or you can say order block.
Bitcoin. I think like there was a trade-in live stream, and I
Mhm.
mentioned about this daily order block. Mm, Oh, sorry, it's monthly order block. And it's also like if you look at the structure, it's just making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now we are trading into this monthly demand zone, monthly order block. So I guess like on the lower time frame, there there were buy opportunities right here to the market structure shift. Also right here when we tapped here, pushed up, and I remember like I was live with Anand. Uh, I think probably last week trade in live stream, and we were discussing about this 30-minute demand supply zone right here, and we were talking about price action taking out a liquidity and then dropping. So that was a very good setup. If you guys were live in that session, you would know this move. Let's go to
Someone
check.
asking Heramani, are you in position right now?
Not yet, not yet. I'm just waiting for the 4200 level on call.
Hmm, 4200. I'm just gonna put a line to it because GC GC1. I think it's breaking above this range. Let's
Mm.
look at the CFD gold. Yep, it's breaking above. 15-minute candle is closing in 2 minutes, and it's closing bullish. 1 hour would also flip bullish. Yep, let's try like a buy, a short scalp buy.
On futures,
Yep,
Kashif is playing with future.
man, it's very cheap.
I told you, bro. I told you. Once you enter into futures, now you will say you will offset with futures because the way you trade it is specially designed for you.
But can you also let me know, Taufiq, the micro symbol
For that, you have to go MGC. Just put
M
M before GC.
MGC? Oh, this one. Thanks.
How many lots you want to put onto this trade? Like,
Max, I can do two. Right now, I'm one contract, one lot into this, but it's just it looks like it's just taking out this range liquidity. Let's
you
see.
want to buy?
I'm already in a buy. Like I'm looking at this 15-minute closure. It's a low probability. Let's see. An early position.
I see this price action as a chalawa.
Yep. So it's so you know unexpected with low volume, especially. In 1 hour, like in 45 minutes from now, we will be having New York Stock Exchange open, and let's see. I think the volume we can expect with New York Stock Exchange open. Tawfiq, do you do full porting on futures?
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm coming back in 1 minute.
It's coming down again.
Yep. Guess on the 1 minute it just took out this structure liquidity, and then it just dropped,
Mhm.
trapping me into the sells. Oh, sorry, into the buys.
Yes, Kashif. On the first day, I go very aggressive on futures account. Once I made $1,000 profit, and next day I reduced down my risk. And on the third day, I trade very like you can say passively, very less contract. And final on the master account, I trade calmly. But last time I made $4,000 on my master account, and I blew that account just because of greed. And also, that was my first master account on futures.
Oh,
And look at the
nice.
gold, as I said, this is looking like chalawa.
Well, it just trapped me into the buys right here. This is why it's very important, to wait for a candle to close above the structure shift. See, it just left a wick right here, and it just trapped me. And this is a very common mistake that I do often. Like, and I always say to myself, man, this was a very stupid mistake you did.
Kashif, this is just a disadvantage of being a 1 minute time frame trader. We have to accept it. I did a lot of things like this as well.
But at the same time, this has also given me a lot of profits, and I guess that's the reason, like, why I try to get into the trade before the market structure shift happens. You know,
Hmm.
because you get an early trade, and over the long run, I've seen the probability playing in my favor while I get into the trade before it closes outside a range. Especially like if it's in the direction of the trend, if my trade is in the direction of the overall trend, then it's fine.
I saw on FundingPips, Kashif, the rule is you can trade up to 4 minis on 50K account, but for that you have to choose $5,000 reward cap. I think you choose
uh,
1,000.
I chose 1000.
I think you made a mistake because once you make more profit, you have to wait every week for the payouts.
Man, like $1000 on 4 accounts, like I think that would be good.
Then it's fine if you're seeing as a $4,000 for four
Yeah,
accounts. Then it's fine.
and like what I'm putting into it, like $200 for a $4000 potential reward.
And today is the last day for that discount. So guys,
No
just
way.
pack your invitations with funding pips and
That,
funding pips.
that
And
means like I should be going aggressive on my trades, like
that's why I'm saying, and that's why I'm saying we have to be
throw
a little
as
bit on this time
reach as much challenges as I can
until you become funded.
until I become funded. Whoa.
And honestly, Kashif, this is a approach for few traders. If you see the Zamco, this kind of approach and strategy he's
And
using.
like the traders, those who have taken like $1 million payouts, they also lose challenges, but they have a positive edge. They're, for example, like for me, if I lose 5 challenges and I get funded in one, the payout, like it will cover all the challenge fees, and also like it will put me in a positive position. So it's just probability. You just need to play the game long enough to become profitable. And especially like with the concept, with the strategy, and a back tested proven strategy. You cannot go blind. Kashif, gold might come down to order block on 15 minute 4189 4182 and tap and go bullish. Possible, could be possible, but
Perfect,
right now
perfect level this guy is talking about. If you look
on
at the
which.
1 day time frame, 1 day time frame, sorry,
Mhm.
we have a good level on that zone on the 4H as well.
Let me just see 4184. Yes, 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 yes.
Good level.
If it good, it's good. Like right now, if we're expecting to get into a buy from this, it can also extend to the downside because you not just have this 5 minute demand zone, you also have this 15 minute fair value gap, right? We could also take out the fair value gap liquidity. What's important is confirmation. After we tap here, we want to see a 1 minute price section giving us a market structure shift and holding the level.
Someone is saying Kashif Tradeovate and India Trader are banned in Pakistan are using VPN. Is Tradeovate banned there?
No, it's not bad.
What this guy is talking about? Heramani, I think we are not going to get 4,200 on this stream. Heramani, come on, price, just go on to my level. Price be like, no.
Am I
He's
lucky or
playing
what?
right now.
I went into a buy and it went into extreme drawdown, and now it's coming back to break even. You see, it's just respecting this support, this range support right here.
Guys, never trust your ex and never trust that consolidation. Obviously, I'm saying.
Well said.
I'm just checking this 5 minute 750 fair value gap.
This volume is only gonna come with the NYSE Open.
How
Yeah.
many minutes is left for the NYC? 8 minutes. Yes.
Francine, can you give more examples on 1 minute confirmation for entry? Because not all 1 minute are right confirmations. If possible, can you explain what should I expect from 1 minute at entry? Like what kind of 1 minute to avoid? You should be having rejections on the 1 minute. Rejections is your friend. Rejections is your confirmation. That's it. And you just need to test it out. Like the more you fuck around, the more you find out. So try it out, like backtest. I've just shown you one example of rejections on the 1 minute. When I took this shorts from here to here, there were like three candles rejecting. Let me just show you again. Yeah, this one from here to here. One candle giving me a wick rejection, not closing above. The following candle respecting the high. The third candle respecting the high. And then with the fourth candle, I just took the chance. It's that simple. In trading, like it's important for you to execute because you can risk less and execute to get to know what kind of setup is your setup. A lot of traders, they do not execute out of fear, out of FOMO, and then their trade plays out, and then it'd be like, oh, we were not in the trade and it played out. Why you were not in the trade? Because you were afraid to lose money and you was risking high. So in trading, like first, if you are new into trading, try to risk less but execute. If your thought process is telling you this could be your setup, risk less, execute. A lot of the times you will feel FOMO, you will feel fear, you will feel doubts, but back of your mind, your instincts, it will tell you, hey, this is the setup, like it wants to go, but you will feel hesitant to execute. Why do you feel hesitant to execute? Risk less and execute. What's going to happen? Like you're going to lose 0.20% off your account, 0.50% off your account. If you are getting bothered by losing half percent, then man, like trading is going to be very rough for you because you will always be afraid, you will always be fearful. You need to get out of that fear by risking less.
And 1 minute give you precise entry when you take reversal trade most of the time. If you're trading consolidation, the 1 minute is going to destroy you. I'm telling you. Look
True.
at the consolidation we have in front of the charts. If you're
Even
trading,
Taufiq, like you can break down your buys like that. I saw on your story. You took buys from the bottom on the 1 minute rejections. You can talk about that because there was also 1 minute confirmations.
yeah, just give me the. Is it visible now?
No, not
Uh,
yet.
right.
My buys are running in profits now.
For on minis or macros.
On min, what is
Okay.
micro? What is mini?
Mini is your one standard lot as you put on.
Yeah, it's mini. It's mini.
I like minis. My screen is
And
still not
I,
visible. Why?
I, I added another buy position.
Nice. Yeah, I think it's visible.
It's
First of all, for that trading 1 minute, you must have a level which give you a confidence that we can going to reverse from that level. For example, I have a level that where I was looking for a bias that was 4182, and price was just dropping in London session, and I saw something on 5 minute time frame that this candle is just make a wick on my support level and then go drop again, retest this level, and the price was retesting and spending some time there. If you see the 1 minute time frame, I was not interested in this bias just because of this move. Okay, but when I see the price is spending time over there, and I see something on this 1 minute time frame, this candle for the 1 minute time frame, you must have to see that doji candle and doji candle followed by candle should break the previous candle's high, and vice versa for the sales. So these candles was giving me confirmation that I have to go buy, and I just placed my buy here, and my take profit was just above the previous swing, or you can say previous liquidity level which was there, and I exit somewhere around there because I don't want to lose my master account profit. And here you can see the price just went up without giving a single pullback. So that's how you can trade most of the time, no drawdown trades. But sometimes it happened with me as well. Just that I place a buy here, and the next followed by candle give me a stop loss. Cause I have this a little only 20-30 pips stop loss. Like if I buy here, my trade will be like if this goes below this, the trade will become invalidate, and I'll exit from that position. Okay. So most of the time you have to look at the exact entry. Like I use this as a support, very less I use this. Okay, when you have this kind of support level is working and you see the rejection on 1 minute time frame, and you have some, you can say, doji candles which break the previous candles high. And one more thing you can take as a confirmation is market structure shift on 1 minute time frame. Okay, that's it. That's how I trade 1 minute time frame. And usually if you see the yesterday's moves, I took 4 trade and 4 of them gave me take profit. I'll show you. Okay, first of all, I took this trade on this level. That was the level which gave me 1:2. The price was just kissed my stop loss and just went away. Although my stop loss was 10 pips away, but still this trade went very well. And if you see the fresh demand zone is something where the first moves initiate. Like if I'm talking about the price, like you can see over here, the this is the level, and the price is starting going up from this level. Okay, for me, this will be my, you can say, a fresh demand. So whenever price retests this level, I look for a 1 minute time frame, and I plan my trade according to the setup. Okay. For this, you can see here I took a buy here, and this was considered as a fresh demand. Price tap again on this level on the 5 minute time frame. It make a doji candle, and followed by candle breaks the previous high, and I place a buy here, and it just went away 2.58 RR. And this trade is something which is not going to drain your mind and give you no around trades. Okay, and look at the same again. I usually see reversals in NY Open. Whenever New York Open, I see the reversal trade on the direction. For example, if the market is bullish upside, so I look for a reversal most of the time in NY session. And same thing happened here on
Bro, I
1 minute
took
time.
the sells yesterday on live after it took out the London liquidity.
Okay,
This
I replied you there as well because I was
yeah,
into same trade.
yeah, this was beautiful, you know.
Okay,
This
yeah.
this
So I
one.
was explaining this trade. Once, as I told you, that I look for 1 minute time frame, and I look for, you can say, wicks and doji candles, and I consider this move that this is going to be the high of the day. Let me just mark it out. I was considering this that this is the high of the session. Sorry, and I just placed my sell here. I was a little bit late and it execute there, and I
Mm,
just took almost 1:2, and
mm,
I passed my phase two as well and phase one as well on a
mm,
different account. So this was a trade, and if you look at the trade, trade is something which is giving you no drawdown, like without draining your mind, without giving you like a lot of hurdles that it will go up or down. And I was just targeting these lows, and this played exactly very well. And then later on, I took another trade on my another phase two account when the price was retesting on this level once again. I took a short here and then made some profits, and I passed my funded account.
mm,
So that's how I execute a 1 minute time frame. For trading 1 minute, you must have a level which is working,
beautiful,
so it is
beautiful.
going to work so well. Like as I talk about fresh demand and fresh supply.
Tawfiq, let me share my screen. The trade I took, the buys,
Yeah.
it
I just come out.
magically worked.
Heramani be like, where is my 4,200? Same here, my bro. I'm also waiting.
Okay, so this was the trade. It's running in. Oh, it was running in $750. Yeah, it's $750. I guess I will close now. How do you close? Okay.
Done and
Yes.
dusted, guys.
Nice one, nice one.
So I
Someone
was
is saying, Heramani, share your screen after his explanation. So,
yep.
Heramani, right?
This was the buy. I added another buy here and closed right here. So it's 58.40. Okay, and that's account done. Now I'm gonna move to the fourth account. Let's go with NYSE open. Oh, look at this candle on the 1
It's
minute.
going up.
Whoa,
Oh my god.
look at this. Crazy.
Fuck. Bye. Fuck.
Let's look at the overall price section. What it can do.
So overall, Kashif, me and you got the lowest of the day today. Like we just took London bias, and the price never came back on that level.
Mm, because it didn't. It's not giving us a pullback. You know why? Because of this 4 hour structure. You see, this was the low. Now, if this is a swing low on this 4 hour bullish trend, then it will never come back. It will just continue pushing up to make a new higher high. And also look at the daily. Daily
Mm.
candle
It
is
can
leaving a.
flip bullish. It can flip
It
bullish
can
still.
flip bullish. Yes, exactly. Because with the Asian and London, it gave us a down move. And if you have paid attention to gold movement in the last couple of days, whenever there's a down move in the first 2 sessions of the day, the third session it just flips the candle bullish. For example,
Mm.
if you take an example of this candle, this candle, and this candle as well. I've been observing this. Now with NY session, we can expect a bullish flip and just continuation to fill this bullish wick. This could also be a possible scenario, and it's just going. It's not stopping. You should just look at this on the 1 minute now.
Kashif
It's
and Heramani, I was up on almost 10% on my master account. Otherwise, I was about to hold this trade. The London buy.
That's fine. 10% is good amount.
Once I
time.
realized I made 10%, then only I cut. Or 10% is something which is very good amount.
Heramani, would you like to share your screen?
Yeah, I'm planning something.
There you go. I'm done for the day.
We can see your smile. Kashif, don't you tired with success sometimes?
I just live to
Yeah.
trade and I trade to
Yeah.
live.
The
This was
purpose
my first
you are
trade.
doing is going out, that
Yep.
paragliding.
Yeah, just make money and just enjoy life. That's it.
Yes, Hiramani, bhai, go ahead.
If it goes down to this level, this 4212 level, then I will go for another buy. So this was a small scalp, and this was on early New York, I think so. This was I closed in 40% profit, and then I got some moves over here. It's a very quick scalping, I guess.
Mm.
I just risked only 0.3%.
So are you on evaluation stage or a master account?
This one is on master. This one is on master, and this one is on another challenge. And if it goes down again below this level 4212, then I will be interested to buy for a buy setup for another in challenger side as well. Because in 4 hour, its candle closing is very good right now. 4 hour. So this 4212 level is the exact opening of this new 4 hour candle. So I just want to see the wick downside first for this 4 hour candle, and then I will look for some buys over there.
I think we are done, guys.
Who's done? I'm not done. I'm gonna wait for NYSE
What
open.
is greedy guy? I'm ready to with you. Let me buy another challenge, a fresh challenge.
I still have one account left to make $1,000. I don't know, for some reason I just want to get an impulsive buy from here.
From current price.
Yep.
You can do anything. We have still few hours left for the discount on funding ticks. You are allowed, bro.
Just because of people like us, there's consistency rules.
Because we have, I think, trailing account as well. You can pass in one day. I'm not sure about that, but that is intraday trading program, not EOD
Yep.
based.
It's quite
See, it's going
crazy.
up. It's going up.
Just full port one account.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Allahu Akbar.
Just go ahead, bro.
Order filled. Let's go.
Maat Kananga
You can
live.
share your screen.
Man, $120 right now running in. Let me just share my screen. This is the last account I'm trading. And this stream is fun. $40, $50 on the futures. 60. Can we get 100? 120. Can I get 200? 160. Let's look at the CFD as well, gold, because I want to see this 5-minute candle. And if you see the 5-minute is closing impulsively bullish, it can move to this.
I think now it will make a upper body in bullish candle.
Yeah, because it's too much extended. With the new 5-minute, if it makes a bottom wick, flips. Let's see. I'm in a $20 profit now. $100. If I get 500, I would be happy.
You open
140,
only one contract.
200. Two contracts. It's 2 lots.
Perfect.
Now,
One
come
more
on.
advice I want to give: just go for
Yeah,
the
180. Just one more candle on the 1 minute. Come on. 220.
Let's freaking go, guys.
Just want to look at this 5-minute closure because I'm also looking at this Forex gold. If this 5-minute closes bullish, then next minute this goes up. That would be good. Come on. 200. 260. 260 is the highest, I guess. Man, imagine like it goes against me. This is the new 5-minute candle now. Up, making a bottom wick.
And missing, guys.
Bad rejections. Okay, flipping bullish now on the 5-minute. If it breaks the high, that would be good.
You get PP, don't worry, Kashif. I'm telling you. You have confirmation, bro.
But I know like it might go, but it's too late, like getting buyers up at the top. Like I'm also,
Yeah.
I just want to exit quickly the moment I see a big wake
How
up.
much profit is going on? How much profit? Is it 360?
260. 260 is the highest. If it
Okay.
breaks the previous 5-minute high, yeah, 300. 300. Can we get? Come on.
You will get on.
The real emotions you see on Trading TV right now. A trader stuck in a buy.
On
You
the
see
top.
the greed. You see the fear. 240. Man, I don't know why this 5-minute is not breaking high. Let's see on the 1-minute time frame. Yep, you see this candle is kind of like, giving wick rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not feeling comfortable now. Gonna close at 340. Order filled. No, closed at 180. I'm done with this trade. Now it's gonna go in my favor. Now this is moving. Now it's moving. You see? Now it moved. Why?
How come gold and US 30 moving in same direction? Kashif, Taufiq, Heramani, Fahad. I don't think so that these both instrument moves in the same way. Do you guys want to say anything on this?
Because it's like the same liquidity is pouring in the market.
Okay.
It's going higher.
Let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq on the 1 hour time frame, man. Like it's let's look at the daily. Okay, so on Nasdaq on daily, this I see this supply. I see a bearish candle, but the following candle is pushing bullish. 4 hour structure is bullish. 1 hour is bullish, but at the same time we are trading at these equal highs. So for today, Nasdaq on the 1 hour time frame, I would be looking for buys from this, either from this. Like if a drop happens with NYSE open, from here, if I see 1 minute rejections, I will be getting into a continuation buy. Look at gold, like on the 5 minute time frame. After I close the position, it just okay. So we are getting kind of like rejections from this 5 minute supply. Let's see if we get some confirmations. Pratik Patel, which month is best for gold? Every month is best. Every month is best. Mostly but mostly the gold is more volatile, I would say, during August and September. But gold mostly like it's driven based on fundamentals. So nowadays, especially like gold, like it's good for every month. Even like December, like I remember last year, December was very slow. No, not last year. In 2023, December was very bad, was very slow. But if you look right now, it's just like smooth price action. US 30 taken Monday lows and projecting towards NWOG. What is this NWOG? Any thoughts? Let's look at US 30. I think US 30, we all need to see this monthly candle. Right now, it's just making a bottom wick. The moment this monthly candle flips on US 30, you can expect a wick fill. You can expect continuation of this monthly candle. I don't trade US 30, but just like giving you a higher time frame perspective. Okay, a nice rejection from this 5-minute supply on gold. I want to get into a sell from here. Order filled. Okay, my stop loss will be above this 5-minute. Prices could be different between futures and forex.
New York opening is in 10 minutes.
Seeing from this 5-minute supply, now we have a dodgy candle right here. Okay, so now it's moving in my favor, I guess. Sells right here from this supply. My stop loss will be above this zone, guys. Above this 5-minute. I'm willing to take this loss, because it could be a high risk to reward ratio. And I'm catching a sell from this top. All right, nice drop. I guess it's running in 10 pips. So Vic says before taking equal highs, you are shorting. Yes, I'm taking a risk. I'm taking a risk that I can afford to lose. It's that simple. Even if it takes out highs and I get another confirmation, I might short from the top as well. But that's the whole point. Like if you see a setup, if you see a zone, you have to execute and see like it's dropping.
Although that's a very good trade, Kashif. OG trade.
Thanks. Let's see. You see this 5 minute dodgy, kind of like a bullish dodgy closure. If it breaks the low, it could just give a scalp opportunity, like, just a scalp.
At least it is better than buying on the top that you are selling on the
Yeah.
previous 3 minute order block, or you can say supply. It will be a good RR trade. If it performs, that will be a good RR.
Yes, because I'm in sales from here. Let's say my stop loss is above the zone. Even if it drops till this
It is futures
level.
now.
Yeah, this is futures. That would still be a 1 to 4. The volume is shit.
Tradin.
Okay, I guess now it's flipping bullish. If it breaks the previous 5 minute high, I'm gonna exit and I will be calling it a day. My goodness, like look at the it's neither breaching nor it's going down.
I think it has to go down at least 4220 level.
You see? Yeah, rejections are solid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just needs to break below this. Now,
Order filled.
I'm out of this position now. Because we are heading towards NYSE Open in 5 minutes. So there could be a
Mhm.
possible, a liquidity grab or something. Nice exit. Crazy. Sovik says, I will also look for a sell if equal high are taken out in NYSE Open. Okay. NYSE opening in 3 minutes.
Kashif, I start regretting on my exit now.
For the buys.
Yes, I was with 1.5 lots on my master account. Now, slowly in study, I was starting thinking about that position. And look at the 15-minute structure.
You can share your screen, Taufiq. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open a short, like if it takes out this liquidity.
Order filled.